We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. So as you can see, we're going into it. How to trade with only $500. And I'm going to break down exactly what to do, A to Z. And you're not sending that $500 to me. I'm going to show you how to do that. We are live on IG, TikTok, X, YouTube. You guys pull over to X. Pull over to YouTube, sorry. What's up, guys? Danny's in the chat. We got Paul, we got Alfredo, we got Greg, we got Samson, Ronnie, Stargazer. I'm with Paul. Always something to learn, per usual. So Black Friday, right now. Appreciate everyone that's pulling out with me. For those of you shopping right now, damn you to hell. No, it's all good. We're going to be shopping right now, and we're going to break it down. Funding Ticks right here, or right here, has a 50% off sale. And we're going to talk about how to do all of it right now. So here's the thing about this live, right? We will talk about how to trade with only $500. Flood the chat if you're new. You've never traded before. YouTube chat. Again, every time I say the chat, flood the chat, comment heavily. Flood the chat means comment heavily. That's for YouTube, not you guys. What's up, Salam? Welcome, Salam. Joe Mubarak, Abdul Kafi. Salam. Time for class, as always. Been waiting since yesterday. Ronnie, I love it. Ronnie. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, next Tuesday I will not be live. I'm doing first Tuesday of every month live for the a private class for the secret Instagram. And again, reminder: most of December I will be in the Bahamas, no live. Again, just pay attention to the live schedule. Go to YouTube, Day Trade Professor live, and it has all my lives scheduled for the rest of the year there. So boom. All right, how to trade with only $500. Number one. For those in the chat, what do you think you need? The first thing, again, this is for people that are new. This live is for people that have no clue what to do. This live is for them. So flood the chat. What do you think is the number one thing they need? Like, we're going to talk about resources, like tools, before we get to anything else. Before we get to, I know what everyone's going to say. Before we get to just hit sell, all that. What is the first thing they need to know? They need to have the tools. So what do we need to have? A broker. Or, when it comes to broker, we could do prop firm. Spell that wrong. Prop firm. So we will be talking about the broker, Tradeovate, prop firm, Funding Ticks. Many of you watching this is the main question. This live is so to help you out because a lot of the DMs I get, I'm going to answer them here. And Funding Ticks, God bless them, updated their checkout process with new things. And I'm like, all right, got to update this. What's up, everybody in the chat? What's up? So now, broker, Tradeovate, prop firm, Funding Ticks. I know there's a lot of prop firms out there. God bless you. I've tested out a few. I'm not going to say the names, but some just suck. Some are fine. Some are really good. Funding Ticks. By the way, the code right now is 50% off. The code is right here. Just hit sell. I'll go through the process of which account to buy in a second, but that's not the point. Point being, I like Funding Ticks. One of the main reasons, well, there are many reasons, but the main reason is user experience. From signing up to executing a trade, smooth. Data analytics, getting paid in crypto. They reply back to emails and everything just a simple, smooth process. Boom. Yeah, very good, Edgar. Thank you. Number two, now that we got that, we got charting software. Everyone knows TradingView. By the way, the links to all of these can be found on daytradeprofessor.com in the description. When this video ends, in the description you'll see a playlist. I have playlists on how to copy trade, how I made it on the leaderboard, everything I'm speaking, I have done it. Passing evals, payouts, I've done it all. In the description down below, there's a playlist. This video will be in that playlist. Dropping some gems for new people, old school live. What's up, Eric? 100%. Screw shopping. The only thing I bought was TradingView renewal subscription. My man. By the way, TradingView, if you use the link in my bio, $30 off or 40. I've lost track with that link. And yeah, so keep going. Broker, I'm going to go into this. So I got you. I'm going to go into this. Another one of the reasons why I like funding ticks is when you link, you don't have to trade through Tradeovate. You can link Tradeovate straight to TradingView, which is all linked together. Keep that in mind. Number 3, you have to learn the process. Again, like I said, no sales here. I said with only $500, you can start from A to Z with trading. And I'm not talking about sending me any money. Get a trading course. Which one? What trading course do you guys think you should get for trading? How much should a person spend on an online trading course? Flood the chat. How much is acceptable? I know trading courses have become a meme. Actually, just not trading courses. Real estate courses, trading courses, Airbnb arbitrage, drop shipping. I can't keep track of real estate. I don't know. Amazon FBA. There's courses for everything. For everything. So, and I know it's become a meme, but it's okay to go to college. Ask someone with, as a professor right here, ask someone with a degree. How much should you spend? Zero, nothing. Yours is free. Free course. Damn, y'all don't want to even spend on a course? Look at the chat. They're right. Free course. 100%. I love the chat. I love the chat. If you link your platform for TradingView, I don't think you have to pay for TradingView at the point. I don't think you do have to either, Eric. $0, 100% right. A trading course. Which one? No bias here, but your boy that you're watching right now, my course is free. So I'm just going to write day trade professor free course. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a free course. It says it right there. I know people are going to say, what's the link? I should start blocking people for saying this stupid. You know what? I'm going to go to that level. People will be like, why do you block people for that? I need you to understand something, okay? I'm going to be perfectly honest here, without going on too long of a tangent. When people ask me, hi, where's the free course? And they can't read this big sign, or they can't see the bottom words going down, get access to the free course, all that, or they can't scan this QR code, they need to be removed now, because there'll be a problem for me later on. What if they sign up for the class and they show up? You're like, oh, they paid you. You don't understand. I don't care if they come to class, buy the books, pay the money. What I don't want is the headache of a child, of someone that needs to be coddled. I don't want that. If you can't read, you're going to get blocked. I'm just being honest. But people always like to pay for nothing. I know. They don't know any better. They don't know any better. So get a free course, understand what you need to do. What do I mean by that? The steps, the process, the procedures, all of that is covered there. Number 4, once you do all this, so wait, let me space this out. I'll do this in 2 ways. Yeah, I'll do it like this. Once you do all this, execute. I think I spelled that wrong, but it's okay. I just woke up from a nap. Execute a trade. What do I mean by that? Pay attention. What do I mean by that? You will trade ticker either MNQ1 exclamation point or MGC1 exclamation point. Okay? This is the tickers you're going to execute on. Then you're going to trade one contract. For how long? 1 month. Can someone in the chat explain to me again? Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, Day Trade Professor. And plus, we got to get common sense going again. The main question I get from these platforms, oh, what's your YouTube? My bro. If you're on Instagram and it's Day Trade Professor, you're TikTok, Day Trade Prof. Ever thought of using common sense and typing in the same exact username? I don't know. Maybe that's common sense, but maybe I don't know. Common sense ain't common. No, Mr. McDonald, it definitely ain't common. Learned candles level. We're going to get to that, Edgar. We're going to get to that. This is the procedure for those of you that have 500 bucks. This is the procedure you need to follow right here. Okay? And I'm going to come back to this in a second. So this is all done with less than $500. Now let me break it down. Let's go back. Once you go sign up for Funding Ticks, let's talk about it. Once you go there, let's break down, and God bless Funding Ticks that I have to do this damn video again, because I've done videos similar to this, but they freaking updated the screen again, and the amount of DMs I'm getting about the repetitive same thing, it's kind of annoying, because I just want to say, go watch this video, it's already covered. Alright, so once you go there, there's a whole bunch of options to pick from. Let's cover that. Let's see, can you guys see? Oh man, my reflection is there, but there's nothing I could do. I could just zoom in, let me see. Alright. You guys can see? Can everyone see well? Common sense, yeah. Been trading MNQ and MGC for 2 months straight. Best way to start at the moment, 100%. So if everyone can see, let's go. So now, when you get to the checkout process, you're going to get the option of 1 step, 0. I'm going to take you through this process. Please don't fast forward. I'm talking to the ones watching in the future. Not talking to the live people. Please don't fast forward. Go through these steps. I shouldn't go live.
Just hit sell.
I shouldn't go live after a nap. Look at the way I talk. Don't fast forward. Because if you DM me asking about these kind of questions and you're not a mentorship student, you will get blocked. Alright, 1 step means eval. This means no eval. Straight funded. Eval meaning test phase. You will have a test phase called an eval. I'll go through this. You'll have 3 days minimum. Maximum is a month, whatever long it takes. 3 days minimum to pass it. Whatever the requirement is, you have to pass it. And you don't keep that money during that eval. Pay attention. During this process, you don't get to keep the money. Once you pass the eval, then you get moved to a master account where every cent you make is yours. All right, check. That's the number 1 DM I get. That's answered. Number 2, I'm going through all the DMs I get about the same damn question. Number 2, on a sidetrack note, if you buy an account and you don't use it, after 7 days, you don't touch it or use it, the account is gone, deactivated. There's nothing you could do about it. Cool? Number 3, I don't work for Funding Ticks. I'm not the CEO. I'm not a worker of theirs. So I don't control any issues they go through. Do not DM me about any issues that you go through. I do not control Funding Ticks. The amount of people I've been blocking en masse lately for their issues is wild. I don't work for them. I use them. I like them. So I promote it because it's a good product. I'm just telling you now. This is not your, here's a spoon, feed. No. This is a man up and use common sense approach and idiocracy out the window. I don't work for them. If I buy 2, do you recommend me copy trade? If you've never got a payout, do not copy trade. We will wait, go for a power nap. No, I already had it, Matt. I already had it. So straight. Now the next, this is the thing they added. It's so annoying because I got to do this live. All right. You got end of day trailing. You have to pick one of these. The next step is picking. The next one is live trailing. They got you here. It's 15% off if you do this one. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Do not pick this option. Who can tell me in the chat what is end of EOD, meaning end of day trailing, and live trailing? Flood the chat. What is that? Before I tell you, let's see who knows what it is. But do not pick live trailing. I don't care, but it's cheaper. Cheaper doesn't always mean the best. And I know you know this. Flood the chat. What does live trailing mean and what does end of day trailing mean? Tell me. You guys got to get active in the chat. I feel like the chat's crashed. You got to tell me, baby. You got to tell me. Close of the day is your balance on the... I need a better answer than that. Forex Elite. And put a real name there. Choose only end of day. Otherwise, if on a trade, if it drops, the threshold will fail. Very good, Matt. Very good, Matthew. Keep going. Keep going. But basically, they're telling you in the chat. End of day, depending on which account you buy, 25K, your drawdown, I'm going to explain it. I will explain it. 50,000, 100,000, 150. I think it's 4,000. Can someone confirm? 150,000. Is it this much drawdown? Someone confirm in the chat, please. Close of the day, you must be out the trade. Most of you could lose. You have the time to make it back. Drawing bounce at the end of the day. Live trailing, close mon. Yeah. So basically, live trailing. I'm going to say this in the simplest form. You're in a trade. You're up You're up 5,000 in the trade. You didn't hit sell. You didn't hit sell. It pulls back. Your trailing drawdown, how much you can lose, has moved up. Live. If it goes below like 3,000, depending on which account you buy, let's pretend it's the 50,000 one. If it goes down 3,000 and you're already up 5,000, your account is gone. I know you're like, wait, what? I know. Again, reminder, I don't own these companies. Okay? The only company I own is that you're watching right now. Just so we're clear. But that's stupid, so don't pick it. That's what this is. End of day trailing is 50,000 account, 2,000 drawdown. You're up $5,000, same example, and it goes down. You never hit sell. You never hit that button and get out the trade. You're down 4, you're down 3, you're down 2, you're down 500. You're up $500 only now. You're still in the trade. You're perfectly fine. It's what happens at the end of the day. So pick this option. So pick this. This one, no one should pick this. I understand why Khaled, the CEO, why Funding Ticket did this. I get it. They want competitive prices so it could be cheaper of admission. The ticket gets cheaper to enter into the futures market with prop firms. I get it. I get it. But it ain't worth the risk. It ain't worth the risk. It's 4,500. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Forex Elite. If you start with 2,000 at the end, yep. 4,000. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are the best. I got the best chat in the world. I swear to God. So that's here. Now the next question I get asked is, okay, Professor, I'll pick this. Check. I'll pick this. Check. Eval. Let's just do eval, and then I'll talk about zero in a second. By the way, if you pick 25K, the cheapest one, with the code just hit sell, it's $57. Now the next thing I'll explain, people will ask, wait, $57 every month? One-time payment. If you pass it, that's it. You will not, I'll say that again, you will not be charged again. This is you're like, wait a second, huh? That sounds, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I passed evals, $57, okay? Remember what I said last time? If you're watching this in the future, you probably just watched a video of me making $14,000, the leaderboard. Yes, I paid $57 and I made $14,000 on that. You're like, wait, what? That sounds insane. Welcome to the future of trading the market. This is the cheat code, my sons and daughters. This is the cheat code. So that's the 25K account. Okay? This is the cheapest. You get $1,000 drawdown. You could pick this. What I always instruct my students to do, and this is for your, and you understand why. You could pick this, but I say pick 100,000 or 150,000. Why? I'm going to tell you now. Who can tell me, by the way? I want to engage with the chat more. Why would you want to pick 100,000 or 150,000? especially if you're new to trading. Flood the chat. Again, Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, pull up there. If you want to engage, if you just want to watch here, that's fine, but we're live on 4K on YouTube. That's where you want to watch. That's where you want to watch. Who can tell me why that one? Why do I go live without water in front of me? I swear to God. Why? I'm so thirsty. What are you going to do? More drawdown, wiggle room. It gives you more wiggle room to take losses. High end of day, bigger drawdown. Very good. You'll be like, wait a second, what? Yeah. You want more time to learn when you're early on trading. And what does that mean? More time to learn meaning you will take losses. You will learn from said losses. So for you to learn from those losses, if you sign up, but this is the cheapest, Professor, you will lose $1,000 if you don't know what you're doing and your account's gone. To be honest with you, the reason why I honestly want you to pick this, because for you to lose $4,500, you did degeneracy. You did shenanigans. But the reason why I want you to have this is if you follow what the free course talks about. Did you see I'm not plugging the books? I'm not plugging the books. I'm not plugging my classes. None of that. Right now, the lecture is only if you have a few dollars to your name. $500. And as of now, you've only used $57, $100, $150 on that. Buy a couple. We'll go about that later. You will lose. You will make mistakes. You will do all of that. The key part is to understand the data. And you want that account for the data reason. So that's why I prefer you get either this one or this one. Cool? Next. As of now, I hope to God they don't use other brokers or platforms, but TradeOvate is what you link to TradingView. The amount of DMs I get, my God. You know, I'm going to be honest with you. I love blocking people, but sometimes there's some nice people that talk to me on Instagram. I don't want to block them, but it gets to the point of the idiocracy of questions when I already covered certain things. Or how about you put 2 and 2 together? I'll give you one DM I get a lot. You guys don't understand the madness. You're like, why is he always blocking? The idiocracy. Okay, let's not go on too deep of a rant. This is the next major DM I get. I went on TradingView. I can't link. I swear to God. You'll be like, no way. I swear to God. I went on TradingView and I can't find the broker funding ticks to link. I can't find it. I'm confused. Did you watch the videos? I watched all the videos. I'm telling you an exchange right now that happened. Okay. In the video, did I not mention TradeOvate? Yeah. So, trading platform says TradeOvate. No, but you said TradingView. I said TradingView links with TradeOvate. Do you not see that option there? So we can't put 2 and 2 together? Block them all. That's all I do, Eric. That's all I do. People are like, no. No. You need to understand one thing. I'll say this many times. Do you know the process of how it works to be my student? I'll explain it to you. It starts off with these lives. No, let's go back. It starts out with watching one of my videos. Then it ends up you're watching my live. Then it ends up you're watching the free course. Then it ends up with you buying the books. Then it ends up with you signing for the class. Are we clear? Throughout this process, sometimes people DM me for help. Throughout this process. And if these questions, and I asked, did you do the steps? Yeah. And you still asking? This is the issue. If you sign up to the class, then I got you, right? I'm going to help you. You're on the secret Instagram. You're there. I got you. If your questions that you're asking me are basic common sense, I will have to babysit you for many, many years. I ain't babysitting nobody. So if I can wipe them out and block them within the stupidity of that system, I can save myself headaches much later on. No amount of money is worth a migraine caused by idiocracy. That's just what I'm saying. Real talk. The professor, 100, I'll keep it $150, bro. I love this guy. You have to understand, everybody else is begging for your money. Please, sir, sign up for my signals. Please buy whatever the free course they're selling. My course is free. They want that. Buy their AI bots. I don't know, man. Whatever they're selling. I'm going to be frank with you. Honest. I don't care if you buy any. I only sell 2 things. These 3 books. My class. It says it right there. Just 3 things. Well, the free course is free, so I'm not selling that. So 2 things, right? Get it? Don't get it? You have to understand. I'm here to show you how to be free. I'm good. You're watching me. I'm good. I'm free. You could go watch my vlogs in Mexico. You see how I live my life. You need to understand, if you don't have common sense, you will get blocked. Stupidity, there's no place for it here. But some of you are like, Professor, I'm retarded. Bro, everybody's retarded on some level. Everybody. But there are certain levels that I deal with, certain levels I don't want to deal with. Cool? Cool. So this is the formula right here. All right? I'll take questions later about this. A famous quote from your book, if trading was for geniuses, everyone would be profitable. 100%. So this is the eval process. So let's go. Next. So this is the next step. This is eval as well. Goddamn funding ticks. So the next step is here. Let's talk about it. 1 step, end of day. It's going to give you a reward cap. Individual reward cap. What does that mean? That means a payout. So let's talk about it. You can choose a $5,000 payout, $1,000 payout, $3,000 payout. I understand why Funding Ticks has done this. It's extremely annoying for someone like me, but I get it to be competitive pricing. Shout out to their business model. Wow, angry, but nobody's angry, Sean. I don't get angry. I think that's like a weak emotion. I don't get angry. And plus, I don't think you've seen angry. Like my anger, My guy, always straight up. Hassan got it, Sean. Learn from Hassan. It's called being honest, straight up, no fluff. Hi, Fran. Pilot Fran's in the building. Fran, good to see you. You've been missed, madam. So now, once you get to the payout process, let's say you made $10,000, right? If you pick this, you're screwed. To save $59 off your price, that's all you can extract every week. To save $19, all you can extract is $3,000. You understand what I'm saying? Professor, would you advise to start off with eval? I'm gonna talk about that. I think I spoke about it, Abdul Kafi, but I'll talk about it next. Hold on. Pick the $5,000 reward cap so you can take out more money. Don't nickel and dime everything. Don't be so cheap, goddammit. And the account size for $50,000 with the code, just hit sell. Right now, I know in the future it'll be a different discount, but right now it's 50% off. It becomes $74.50. You can't beat that. Sean King must be the sensitive type. It's all good, Eric. It's all good. Professor, just passionate. That's what they don't know, Ronnie, and that's why they need to get blocked. This is one other reason why. If you confuse anger, animosity, hate, and you don't see that it's passion, you're a low frequency individual. Takes ages to blow the account if you do shit. That's what I'm saying, Francis. I love Francis's screen name. Francis Day Trade Professor Book. I love it. Fran, you're always missed. I appreciate that, Fran. I appreciate that. All right, so that's that. Next, as Abdul Kafi, I didn't forget about you, Abdul Kafi. Next one. So you got, sacre bleu. So next one is the 0. Means, like I said, no eval, straight. $100,000. End of day. Trade of 8. you will pay 304 with 50. Again, the just hit sell code. You'll be like, wait, I went to the site. That's not the price. Yeah, you got to put in the code, bro. Just hit sell. Just hit sell. Everything is just hit sell. Everything. The book, just hit sell. Oh, it's all on my bad. I didn't mean to show the book. You'll be like, oh, you said, okay, wait, my bad. Forget, my bad. I know some of you, the second someone starts talking about sales, you start losing your mind. You need bigger account to leave room for error, especially at the beginning. That's what I'm saying. 100%, David. Hey, Professor, thanks for all the information. You're welcome, Shami. Shabbat Shalom, my brother. Shabbat Shalom. So now, that's that. So as Abdul Kafi asked me, which one would you pick? Like, I'll say it again. You have to take a test, eval, and whatever you make in the eval is not yours. In here, all the money you make is yours. There is a consistency rule you have to follow. Once you pass the test, no consistency. That is the major difference right there. That is the major difference right there between the eval or no eval, the zero account. And again, if they update this in the future, I got you. I'll just do another live covering this because that's why I'm doing this. This was not the live for today. I had to do it because the amount of DMs flooding in were like, whoa, what's going on? So my suggestion to you, you could pick the zero and this will keep you in check. And let me explain this to you. So Abdul Kafi, to answer your question right here, and I'm going to tell you why. So in the early stages when I learned about prop firms and I was testing it out, I was very anti the consistency rule. But stay with me here. Stay with me here. What does a new trader need in the early stages? Flood the chat. Again, YouTube. I'm on live on YouTube, X, TikTok, Instagram, on YouTube. Day Trade Professor. What does a new trader, again, this live is for someone with less than $500 in your pocket. So this is 314, so you got $200 left, just so we're clear. What does a new trader need to do well? Who could tell me in the chat? Sorry for being late. Over the road trucker. I love it. I love it, Harold. No worries, brother. No worries. 50% rewards. What's up, Professor? What's up, bro? Good to see you. Consistency, 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 consistency. Very good, guys. Very good. Jadu, you're close enough. Rules. You're close enough. I love it. Everyone the chat knows. Experience? No, not a new trader. They don't know anything. Consistency. So, again, I don't want today to be about, the DMs, but you need to understand where a lot of the things I say come from. A lot of my things behind the scenes is the amount of DMs and how I focus into one video so I can answer them all. And another one of the common DM, you were always anti-prop firms, and now you're pushing prop firms. You morons. You morons. Can someone not learn? Can someone not grow? Can someone not deeply understand a concept that they had a misconception about, and now they know? A lot of you are not people on social media having to do classes, having to teach or create content. But some of the DMs and comments are just so low frequency that it's just like, so? Yeah, I was anti-prop. I didn't know any better. And then I was taught and I learned and I saw that holy moly, what a hack to get into trading. So the reason I like the 100,000 consistency rule, because a new trader needs to be kept in check. And how do you keep them in check? What is the consistency rule? Make same / close to the profit daily, meaning if Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday you made 300, Tuesday, let's change the color. Monday you made 300, Wednesday you made 500, Tuesday you made 500, Wednesday you made 100, Thursday you made 50, Friday you lost 200. Fairly consistent. Fairly. This is what you shouldn't be doing. You make 1,000 Monday, you go negative 500. Wednesday, you make 3,000, you gamble on some Fed news, and then you lose negative 4,000. This is not consistent. A new trader, moron, so rude. Hassan, no one's calling you a moron. I'm just talking in general. You're going to get blocked. When the professor starts cussing, you know me. Hassan, listen. Hassan, I want to show you something, Hassan. I want to show you something, right? Guys, what should I do with Hassan? Hassana. What should I do? Tell me in the chat. Why are so many humans so weak-minded, so offended by little words? I'm not calling anybody in the chat a moron. But Hassana, I want to show you what the chat's about to say. Remember, Hassana, I hope I'm saying your name right. I don't know you. I've never met you. I've never engaged with you. So don't take this the wrong way, but look what the chat is saying. Block, second chance, block. Do you see why the chat's saying that? So here's the best part. Block that ass. Next silly act, block. Francis, there's more people overtaking you on that voting process, bro. Hassana, I don't know you, bro. No offense to you. But I have to block you, and I'm going to tell you why I'm going to block you, okay? I'm going to tell you why. This is my concern, okay? I'm going to block you. Yes, there's nothing you can do about it. Because my words have affected you. Means what? You're weak. You're a weak human being, okay? Sensitive, weak. I can't have you buy my books or come to my class because I can't have weak-minded individuals in my class. Because trading is hard enough. You don't need to be around me. So I have to take this step because you will get upset and you'll never come back again. And I need you to never come back again. So I need you to understand why I'm doing it. I don't know you. I'm sure you're a nice guy or girl. I don't know what kind of name that is, but so you gotta go. You gotta go. What did he say? Lower your voice? Okay. He even said block him. He said lower my voice. Now you gotta go, bro. Come on, lower my lower my voice. See? See the process of blocking? F it, block it. See, that's what I'm saying. You're the weakest link. Do you see why that person got blocked? Literally told me to lower my voice. This is what I'm trying to tell you. People, influencers that watch me, listen to me. I know a lot of you watch me and steal my content. I don't care. You're all children in your 20s. Do you understand why I do it? I need you to start going live regularly. Steal my stuff. I don't care. You're just children. You don't know any better. I got you. I'm going to tell you a funny story. This was a couple years ago. Swear to God. This guy's a famous social media guy, right? Okay? He's a kid. He's like in his 20s. He made 2 videos copying a chapter out of my... Swear to God. He's just a child. Someone sent me the video. They're like, Professor, I think he's stealing something out of your book. I said, what? Send me the video. He said the title of not the book, the chapter, children, they don't know how to plagiarize. Word for word. And then I linked it back. It was a video on my YouTube. It's privatized. I privated it real quickly. He goes, I'm going to drop 10 videos talking about something from my book. Word for word, copy the first one. Someone sent me the video. Second one, word for word. So best, I swear to God, wallahi, swear to God, it's a true story. And I privated the video. I hit the video and it stopped. He was going to do 10 videos from a chapter out of my book. And I privated that video so he wouldn't see it. And he stopped dropping videos. Pathetic little child. Pathetic little child. But back to the point. Listen, start going live. Engage with your audience. When you engage with the audience, you can see which ones are low frequency. You don't want them in your Discord chats. Again, I don't sell a Discord. I'm just talking to those people watching. I'm giving you free advice on how to be better social media people. Start going live and see how they talk. But you won't do that. I forget why. Because you're just actors. Majority of you social media guys are actors behind the scenes. You don't show your true nature because you want the money. You want the monthly subscriptions. My bad, I forgot. Never mind, this won't work for you then. Because I forgot. You're trying to get as many people signed up for your stupid Discord signal chat. Never mind. This advice is only for me, I guess. Because everyone tells me no one keeps it honest with anybody. Nobody. Nobody. Professor, question. Not right now. What's your questions? Oh, that's a good question. Never mind. Never mind. Quair. Oh, man. Get a real name. Quava. Ricks. Out of the 3 books, which one would you recommend? This one comes first. By the way, if you ask me for a Black Friday discount, you will get blocked. You will get blocked. Then you get this one. You can use the code VLOG. It's on the site. So VLOG gets you a nice discount. And then this one. The third one. So follow that. Follow that schedule. Follow that schedule. She wants to be coddled. I know. That's why they're gone, Edgar. It feels good to block someone. Oh, Samson, if you only knew. We need that. We don't need that negative crap here. That's why 100%. See, you guys know me so well. You guys know me so well. Professor, found you through GP. Love GP. Thanks for all you do. Appreciate you, Louis. I plan on buying your book next week. I need to pay my credit card off. First thought, how long will the 30% on your books last? It will last as long as the vlog is out. Once the vlogs are gone, then it's gone. Bro, you are so funny. Show me a trade you took. Ali, go to the description. I have lots and lots of live trades. Go to the playlist, live trading. Lots of live trades right there for you. Back to the subject. Yes. Hey, Professor, what if you trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, then trade next week, making the same? What if you trade Monday, Tuesday, so you skipped Wednesday, and you skipped Friday, Thursday, and that's fine. You have to trade, I'll check, but I think 5 days. Qvari. Book 1 for sure, that book is crazy value, thank you, Hassan. Is the account a subscription? It's a subscription. This one is one time. The 0 is one-time payment and you never pay again. Boom. Will you also be on Rumble? No. So that's that. That is that process. I'm not done. But for those of you, now I covered, let's go back up. This is for all of you that are following this and that are new to the game. This is your formula. Okay? So I covered that. Boom. Charting software, trading view. Again, I have videos in the free course. In the course, Day Trade Professor, that cover a lot of these things. Trading course, I just said that. Execute a trade, next. MNQ1, MGC1. Trading futures. This is what you want to execute on. The next DM. Oh, I'm knocking out a lot of DMs. I don't need a script. Boom. Are you having any holiday sales on the in-person? No, King. By the way, King, thank you for asking me here. I'm going to be honest, because if you would have DM'd me that on any of my social media platforms, you would have been blocked. There will not be any discounts on my classes. There are no holiday, any discount. There's a vlog discount for my Mexico vlog. I'm trying to push the Mexico vlog. So that's why the code is vlog. Be like, okay, let me go watch his vlog. I want you to go watch the vlog. But no, there will be no discount. Actually, prices are going up considerably January 1st on the classes. I'm telling you now, they're not going up, down. They're just going up. I work on indicators and really active in the quant space. 99% of videos about trading on YouTube are misleading. What is EMH? I know what an EMA is, but I don't know what EMH is, Ali. No idea. No problem, bro. You're welcome. King, no, but is in-person price going up? Thank you, Ronnie, for telling that. Oh my God, crazy value. Just got the book for 56. You mean not? Oh, you mean the digital book. Thank you for the discount. God bless you. You're welcome. Yep, vlog. So buying it now is a discount. Buy it now. I don't know if this expires tomorrow. I don't know. Again, I'm not the CEO. I don't work for them. I'm just telling you what I know. Hello, okay, just checking. Already got the book, saving up for the classes. Santos, you're welcome, bro. Of course. There is a payment plan option. Go to the end of checkout and you'll see a payment plan option. Try to buy the classes before January 1st. I'm telling you, because if you DM me saying, can I get last year's price, you will instantly get blocked. You'll be like, why is he blocking everyone? Because you don't listen. I'm just trying to help you. When you go to trade on Tradeovate and type this in, this will not come up for most of you. It'll be some other code. You got to execute the trades on TradingView when you've linked it to Tradeovate. All right, cool. So now, let's do the next thing. Now, for those of you that I spoke about, if you followed this, you went through all this, if you got the straight to funded, you paid $314, one-time payment, by the way. Now you have $200 left. Now I'm talking to those that want to use their money. So I'm done with the free people. Now let me get to the next group of people. Use the code VLOG. Get this book next. Now you have like $50 left. Good. Keep in your pocket. You don't need it. This book is better than the free course. This book covers candles. Is it here? No. This book covers candles, levels, multiple time frames. The free course doesn't cover that. This book covers everything you need. How to master trading. Right here. This one. You need to get this. This is the key. Now that you're done with that and you got to pay out. So let's talk about it, right? You're actively trading. Monday's coming. You've listened to this video. You spent the weekend covering the free course. You got the book. Monday, you trade. You make $600. By the way, I know you'll be like, wait, what? It's not hard to do. If you follow what I've taught you in the book, this is not for the free people now. For those of you that are free, don't have much money, you can sign out now. Now I'm talking to those that actually want to invest in themselves. The book is a life changer with QR codes for updated videos. Thank you. I appreciate you, Greg. You're so nice, bro. Let me pin that. Such a nice guy. Thank you, bro. I worked hard on this book. Thank you. Appreciate it. As Greg said, yes, there's QR codes. You scan with your phone. You watch up. This is if you can see, the 5th version of this book. The 5th. There was 4th, 3rd, 2nd. So this is the latest updated version, right? So thank you, bro. And by the way, there's quizzes. Interactive quizzes to test your trading skills from the book. So now, 600. Tuesday, you make 500. I'm talking to those that listen to every word that comes out of my mouth. Wednesday, you make 300. Thursday, you make 500. Friday, you make 100. Tell me in the chat, is this on a scale of 1 to 10? How doable is this? Tell me in the chat. How doable is this? Flood the chat. 10 being doable. Are we doing? We're good here. We're good on Instagram. What's up, Instagram? I don't know why anybody's watching this. What's up, Culture? I like the selling. This guy's good. What's up, Culture? TikTok, how are we doing? We're doing good? Okay, cool. X, we're doing good? Okay, cool. Cool. Everyone's doing good. So now, Jess, you gotta come to YouTube. I don't understand. Should I speak Japanese? I'm live on YouTube. I'm not engaging with the comments. The amount of comments, Jessica, culture. All of you on Instagram, come over to YouTube. YouTube, guys. I'm not interacting with this chat. I don't the amount of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. For those of you watching this in the future and you're watching the live chat, they got it. If, the key word here is if you followed what I mentioned. Very doable. Just respect your risk management journal and review your performance to get correct. If you listen to what was in this book and you actually invested in yourself. By the way, this book has a QR code where I read it to you. A video. This is a video book where I read it to you. My face, you see me. Then, again, I'm talking to those that are seriously want to invest in themselves for 2026, 27, whichever year is coming up. And the checklist keeps you in check. And you buy the Ultimate Edition. And this is your Christmas gift from your spouse, your wife, your husband, whatever. This is a 10 out of achievable. And you repeat it next week. And you repeat it the following week. And then you get your $5,000 payout. You do it again, and guess what? You take that money, and then you get the class, the mentorship in New York. And then what you learn, you 10x this. This becomes 6,000, 5,000, 3,000. Now let me ask you a question. What? I want the main reason. The main reason. What would lead someone to blow their account? Flood the chat. Greg, we gotta speak in English. Cave trader, it's 10 for me. Been 2 months actively trading. It's very doable, but still I suffer losses. I can do that every day, every week. Can you explain a little more about individual reward cap? Like what more, Charlene? Be specific. I explained everything, but what more? I got you, girl. I got you. That would be good, actually. Not hitting sell. Professor, there's a 25% on reward. Is it not? Everything. Greed. Not. Boom. Not. The number one reason for failing in trading, the chat agrees. The number one, yes, shenanigans, dealing with drama, yes, all of that. But number one reason is not hitting sell. You're up $1,000, you don't hit sell, it goes negative $2,000. You're up $300, you don't hit sell, you're down negative $3,000. You're down $50, you don't hit sell. You're down $1,000, you don't hit sell, becomes negative $5,000. You're down $600, you don't hit sell, it goes down to blowing your entire account. Everything. This is like an octopus, branches to many things. Degen, oversize. But the main is not hitting sell. I've been doing this for many, many years. This is the cause of your failure. Listen to me. Listen to me very carefully. Why would I not want any of you to be successful, consistent? I did this live in 2 parts. One for those to not send me $1, and then to those that want to buy the books, come to class, and have someone to guide them as a mentor, to show them the way on what I've done. I've been number 1 on the leaderboards. I've gotten payouts. I have done every single thing humanly imaginable when it comes to prop firms. I've shown it all. They're all in videos on the YouTube, in the description, the playlist. They're all there to show you exactly what you need to do to become consistent. I've done it. And by the way, in the chat, for those that have seen me on the leaderboard, did I make hundreds of thousands? Did I make tens of thousands a day? Or did I make simple hundreds, a couple thousand here and there? What did I do? Flood the chat. Because I know social media is filled with everyone saying they're making $500,000 a week. And that's fine. If they're making that, that's fine. I'm not here to put you into a realm of fantasy Narnia. I'm here to put you in a realm of reality. Because the world is filled with nonsense, noise, and drama. I just want to show you, the common folk watching, Harold is driving his truck right now. Harold is trying to learn. And he just wants someone to show him the way. He signed up for the June mentorship. The man signed up for all the way to June. And we've spoken. He drives his truck. He just needs someone to show him the way exactly. And you know what, Harold? I won't let you down. By the way, drive the truck. Don't try to comment. I see you commenting before. But Harold, don't try to comment. Drive your truck. It's late at night, holiday season. People are drinking and driving, so don't do that. But do you understand what I'm saying? I'm here for people like Harold. And I know, Ali, I think you want to start drama, but it's fine. I'll leave you until you say something out of pocket. I got you. I'm going to leave you in there. But not everyone on the internet is out to hurt people. Not everyone. Because what I need you to understand, I said it. Use the free, don't forget the book. Forget the mentorship. Use the free course, do all of it, and go unsubscribe, unfollow, and go live your life. Go live your life. I'm telling you that. Don't buy any of the books. I'm telling you that. Don't buy the classes. I will be fine. I will be fine because life will pass you by. And then prices just go up. Everything is passing you by. You are wasting your time in Signals chat. You are wasting your time watching every social media trader post the car, the jewelry, the bottles, the clubs, the half-naked chicks. You're watching your existence pass you by and you wonder, wait, this year is almost over. Why haven't I achieved anything? Because you are not serious enough in anything you do. Let me show somebody the righteous path. Out of the thousands that will watch this video as it's been sitting on YouTube, if it makes one person take action and execute on their will, their dream to achieve something, I did my job. I did my job. Very true, Professor. Your book has definitely changed the way I trade. Listen to, thank you, John. Thank you. Between $12 and $100 plus. You were doing it on one contract. 1 to 2, Rivera. Thank you. For the original question, how much did I make in all of that? 1 to 2 contracts in those videos. 1 to 2. You just made a little, Professor. Just a 1K here and there. Correct. Thank you, Greg. I've shown you the way. I'm trying to differentiate you from social media and reality. Social media of hundreds of thousands a week, tens of thousands a trade. My bros watching. I know those guys have the biggest following. I get it. But they're not helping you in any sense of the word by showing you all that. No, they're trying to show me what's possible. Bro, you're trying to achieve their numbers and you're blowing account after account after account. How is that helping you in any sense of the reality of helping you? But you won't see any of that. You won't see any of that because you're just degenerates. And by the way, I'm not talking to majority of you. I'm talking to those that are getting, if you get offended, you're that person. If you're not offended, you're not that person. It's that simple. So back to this. This is the formula that you need to follow. So now, flood the chat with questions. And if I don't answer it, please ask again. I'm here to help you and show you the way. On TikTok, Instagram, X, don't ask questions here. No one's seeing them. Use your, some of you don't have common sense. Come over to YouTube. Come over to YouTube. Professor, what is the stop percentage on one individual trade? It's not percentage-wise. It's candle close above certain levels. Very doable, Professor. I've showed you my P&L. 100%, Caleb. Caleb sends the nicest DMs. Caleb will be signing up for the mentorship soon. I know it. And his picture will be a picture of me and him. Let's go. Any questions about it? I'll cover it. Finale questions, anything to repeat, anything with a deeper breakdown. I got you. I think I got my stuff from the last time. From my other video, I have it here. The eval process and all that. Let's go. Do you believe in taking breaks after a losing streak? How did you go? Yes. Take a few days off even from losing streaks and winning streaks. Correct. What is the reward cap? I'm not 100% on it yet. It's right here. Right here. Right here. 5,000, 1,000, 3,000. Do the 5,000 one. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Let's go. Any questions you have, I'm answering it now. I had someone message me saying, yo, I'll pay you the private one-on-one. I don't do those. I'm not doing that. For those that want the quietest international mentorships, Dominican Republic or next year, Tanzania. Oh, Tanzania was going to be amazing. Some of the mansions I'm looking at, I'm going to be living on the water. I'm trying to buy out a resort right now so I can have it for 4 months where I don't see people. I'm in talks with certain people where I want to just buy out the whole place. Like a whole area. Money's not an option. It's not like a question. Like, yeah, I'm doing it. So if I'm leveraged and my stop is 20% of my account, is it okay to take the trade? Ali, you're asking questions that are just literally, what kind of questions are those? Listen, I don't know you, and I know you're going to take this the wrong way, because I already saw the comment you left where 99% of trading videos are nonsense. You already have a negative mindset. I don't know you, but I'm going to block you, bro. Because you look like you're going to be a termite. So I'm going to leave you alone. And I'm going to block you. So be good. Enjoy your life. Hasta luego. I just got here. I don't know if you went over this. But what is the end of the trailing on 50,000 account? There are two options. Live trailing. 50,000, bro? 2,000. No, don't do live. No live trailing. Live trailing sucks. End of day trailing is the best. End of day trailing, 2,000. And why are you late, Hayes? Don't be late. Someone asked this, but I'll ask for them again. No worries, Caleb. Can you please go over reward cap later? How did you get 14K when the reward cap is fat? You can take one out every 7 days. Every 7 days. You could take out 5, 5, 5, 5. Piece by piece by piece. That's how you can do it. If you're copy trading multiple accounts, you could take out 5 on each one. That's how you do it. 5, 5, 5, 5. Keep going. Can I sign up for class before I try out? Of course, Martinez. Yeah, you can sign up for class anytime. The dates for the whole year are there. For next year, all the 2026 dates are there. All the way to August. So we got what? 7 months? 8 months deep into 2026 or 7 are there. So you can sign up before the price goes up. Yes. Keep going. What's one edge you believe most traders overlook because it isn't glamorous? Hitting sell. Getting out the trade even if you're down $30 or up $20 and you know it's going on the wrong direction. Just get out of it. If you blow 300,000 worth of accounts, can you make more with another email? Nah. You could, Hayes, you could open, you'll what do you call that? You'll fail those accounts, you can just do it again. Just open up more accounts. Use the just hit sell code. Guys, I'm going to say something after I'm done answering questions. The reward cap is 50% of the profits made, right? 5,000 max, man. Keep it simple. 5,000. If you make 10,000, you can take out 5,000 every 7 days. When you review your best months, what was the common behavioral pattern? Quavo, just go watch that. I'll answer that. But go watch the video where I go over my entire analytics, every trade by trade. Go over that. Go over that. I just hit sell. I followed my plan and I executed. I went over that already. Go watch the full video. Professor, I'm really close to payout. I just hope to get it so I can sign up for the classes. Let's go, Hamza. Let's go. So proud of you, bro. So proud of you. That's what I like to see. Guys, Hamza has all 3 books. And he's about to get a payout and use the money to buy the class. Now that's motivation, man. Can't wait to see you in class. Hamza is a good guy. Hamza is a good guy. Also, entering between levels is a major reason traders lose as well. They can't wait. Correct, David. Me too. If you guys want to see me losing trades, winning trades, go watch my live trading videos. You'll see me lose. And you see the reason why I lose. I show it. Learn from them. How to see you in class soon. How? Daytradeprofessor.com. Scan this QR code. Or go to this website. or follow there in the below. Hello, Professor. On zero account, 100K. How we do with 25 on rewards? Thank you. What do you mean how? You guys gotta ask a little better question, some of you. That makes no sense. I want to be like Hamza. Everyone needs to be like Hamza. Listen, Lulia, I hope I'm saying that name right. If you have the passion to get what you want, you'll do whatever it takes to get what you want. When you are in a peak performance mode, what does your pre-market routine look like? Go watch the vlog, Cueva. The vlog covers all of that. I literally show you what I do. It shows my life from waking up to going to sleep. Go watch the Mexico vlog, guys. The next episode drops tomorrow. I'm live trading on the Mexico vlog. It's on the YouTube. How come the payouts are capped? Francis, I don't run the company, bro. If I ever talk to the CEO, let me tell you two things I'm going to say straight to his face, because I'm not here to be like, get rid of the 7-day rule of the account is deactivated if you don't trade. Bro, what is that rule? Second is, why are there caps? Get rid of it. Trading truly is a mirror that reflects, yes. Hope to see you in class soon. It's Kamar. What's up, Kamar? What the hell? Kamar? What kind of name is that on the YouTube? A pro hero, I guess. Put your real name there, Kamar, in the picture of me and you together. Professor knows how serious I am about all this, right? I know, bro. I know you. I met Hamza in person. Hamza's a good student. No one's more motivated than Hamza. He came here from Pakistan, Afghanistan border with his parents not around, and he's pushing himself to make something out of his life. Hamza's 18, 19, doesn't want to go to college, wants to live the American dream and push through. So I have a lot of respect for someone like Hamza. Just watch all the professor's videos, thank you. What do you think of Hadera? I don't know who that is or what that is. Don't know what that is. What is that, Jessica? I don't know what Hadera is. Is that a prop? Is that a crypto? Is that like a human influencer? I don't know. Just like watching different episodes. Yeah, and those vlogs are fire. From the Mexico Live Nuggets are always... What? Thank you, Alfredo. What do you like the most? I think we're on episode 7. Episode 8 drops tomorrow. By the way, those vlogs are just not vlogs. I'm live trading. P&L. Breakdown. My life. Hedera's a crypto. H-bar. Oh, I like H-bar. I like H-bar. By the way, Jessica, I'm going to say this once, and I'm not going to say it again. This is not a live about asking me about crypto. It's a live asking me about prop firms, what the thumbnail says. Just don't get blocked. Don't go on a tangent. I go on tangents. So now, any finale questions? Any finale questions? Finale questions on this? My last suggestion to you would be, this will be my last suggestion to you. Ready? Listen. Number one, they only allow you to buy up to $300,000 worth of accounts. So if you bought 50,000 accounts, you could buy 6 accounts. And copy trade them. If you don't know what that is, I did a video on it. Go find it on the YouTube. It's in the playlist. It's in the free course. Do not copy trade if you haven't gotten a single payout. Why do I say that, chat? No questions, all clear. Thank you, Greg. I did a good job tonight. If they see your vlogs, they will find nuggets and proof. I know. I'm a new follower. Welcome, Jessica. I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. Why do I say not to copy trade if you haven't gotten a single account? Why? As I wait for that answer, my suggestion, as there's a 50% deal, buy one step, 100,000 eval. Buy 100,000 0. Buy 2 and play with both of them. Play with both of them. I'm gonna give you some more advice to help you out because I got you. You can blow all 6 at once. Correct. Baka got it. You'll throw your money away faster if you copy trade without a profitable strategy. Correct? I copy trade 6 accounts. I do. You have no right to do it if you haven't been paid out. Not to blow all 6. So let me tell you, right? You're lucky. You're lucky. I'm in the mood to help you out even more than I usually do. Sometimes I'll censor myself from giving out too much sauce. But you know what? The holiday season's coming. I don't do holidays. I don't give a shit about Christmas. I don't care about any holiday. I don't go out. I don't like. If you watch my vlog, people were DMing me saying, damn, you just lock yourself in the resort? Bro. I only went out when my assistant showed up because she wants to go out, so I took her. Go watch the vlog. I'm a homebody. I don't go to clubs. I don't go to parties. I don't like to be invited to going out. I just don't like it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm in the mood, but I know a lot of you have children, have families, have bills up the yin-yang or credit card debt. So if I could make your 2026 I don't know what year we're in. I got to figure out a way to talk so I know the year. This year, the year we're in. Okay, I'll talk like that. In the year we're in, as we get to a close, you're going to create these artificial, what do you call those? New Year's resolutions. I don't have them. I live life day to day. But I know many of you have these resolutions. Pay off this credit card debt. So let me ease the pain that you go through. Because in the afterlife, God will ease my suffering that I might go through. Right? So let's talk about that. So I'm about to give you some extra sauce. Why not? Why not? And I know some scumbag or some moron will show up and say he's trying to sell something. But you know what's funny? A lot of people don't show up because the love in the chat is so tremendous towards me. How do you fit in a moron in the chat? You just can't. Let me ask some questions before I answer this. I like your helping tip, like buying one eval and 1 Any more tips? I got you, Matthew. Can you explain the weekly payout? I just did, Jorge. 5,000 a week. I just did. Paul, I love Paul. Paul, I love you so much, bro. Paul's the nicest. I have digested everything. Thank you so much. I'll be doing this method for the 500 and we'll be purchasing your class tomorrow. My good friend Paul, let's go. See, I love Paul. He has a wife. He has children. He's just trying to provide for his family and his best. Do you think I will let him down? Do you think I will stand here and let down Paul and his children when I know for a fact that he has to provide for them? Why would I let him down? That was one of the reasons I created a secret Instagram. So after the mentorship, you're not alone. You still got me there. That's why I do private classes once a month, private videos, cover things that I don't talk about publicly. That's why I tell my students to come back after the 3 days. You come back again. It's free. Maybe you missed something the first time. You picked up a tidbit. That's why February live trading, they get 50, not even 50, I think it's 75% off February, a whole week of live trading. I love it. I can't wait to meet Paul. Great tips, Professor. And that's why we love you. Thank you, Francis. Same here. I'm a homebody as well. Cultivate your own energy, correct. 2025. I never know the year. I don't even know the date. I only need to know what Tuesday and Friday is. Vote for Z9 broker. Yo, Nasim Khan, I'm going to block you because I don't like people putting their own propaganda in the chat. So, have a great day. May God be with you. Professor, do we trade on simulator? Yes. Julia, I don't know, man. Some of you put the real names. Go to the free course. There's all the videos on how to use funding ticks, trade ovate, all of it, how to set it up. I have videos screen recorded for you guys. Literally, I've done it all. Go watch that. Thank you for everything, Professor. Signed your future student, Martinez. See you in class, Martinez. Why do you think I always say see you in class? Because it's inevitable. It's inevitable. I wish funding ticks had no expiry, 30 days. I know, bro, Matthew, I know. I'm going to talk to him. The day I meet the CEO, I will talk to him and say, do me a personal favor and get rid of this. Brother, it's my first time on your live. I was back testing and your live popped up. What's your name? Punjabi? My name is Malik, but why does that matter? Just learn. Do we trade on simulator? It's okay. I'm going to leave that alone. Some people are artistic. You will not let anyone down, Professor. We will pick up us no matter. Yes. Hit the like button. Thank you, Hayes. Thanks, Professor. Hit sell. Back to this. Buy one eval 100K. Buy one 100K 0. Take This advice will save you from over trading and blowing your account. Tell me how. Flood the chat. FYI to everyone, evals are 50% off. Everything on Funding Ticks is 50% off if you use the code JustHitSell. Everything right now. I think it's only tonight, Black Friday. Again, I'm just telling you, Black Friday's tonight. I don't know how long it lasts, but it says Black Friday. That's tonight. Today's Black Friday. You know, I don't do shopping. I have enough of everything. But if you want to go shopping, invest in yourself. Shop for some prop firms. Prop accounts. Why do you think I told you to do this? Flood the chat. Why do you think I told you to do this? Flood the chat. What's TikTok saying? Why does TikTok always kick me out? Because I know they're testing it. I know. I just noted the discount. Let's go. Guy, what the? Just noticed. I've been saying it for so long. Just hit sell. Just hit sell is the discount on Funding Ticks. Do not pay full price. So you don't blow your account. Good, Ronnie. Why else? Flood the chat. Limited loss of any. Keep going. Lower barrier of entry. Once you're competent, you will have the confidence to beat the evals. Correct? Quava, stop with the all caps. Stop with the all caps. Go back to lowercase. TikTok is always like this. You don't have to risk your own money, correct? Keep going, Rivera, good. Why? I'm giving you some sauce to protect you. Because just like Hamza, folks, if majority of you do well from my free advice or my advice from the books, I'm just telling you, right? Free advice, you do well. My book's advice, because Hamza has all three. And then you come to class, don't you think it'll alter the direction of your life? I'm just saying. Sorry, it's okay. I like you. You always, everything is proper. The English is proper. You don't say nonsense. You're good. You're a good man. No, the higher discount. Well, one is take advantage of their discount. Get a couple accounts so you're safe. That's one, so you don't blow it. That's what I do now. I used to take 20 trades a day, but now I just take 1 to 3 max. Correct. I've been saying that for years now. Years and years. Just tuning in. What is zero? I'm supposed to trade. Why do you guys show up late to class? Zero is no eval. Go watch this live when it ends, bro. Go watch this live when it ends. By taking more trades, I blew 20 accounts, correct. This is a hack. This is the hack and the sauce that I'm giving you to protect yourself. Go buy one of each, an eval and a zero, and go through these steps. Go through these steps. That's it. Now I'll give you another piece of sauce. This is a 200K. Now you'll have 100K left. What you can do next? Sacre bleu. So if you're buying 100K eval, buy those. Also, buy a 50K eval and a 50K zero. Why? Now you'll have the full threshold of a 300K max allocation. You're only allowed to have 300K. So what can you do? Once you're done, on this, same. On this, same. If you're someone that overtrades, I just gave you the sauce on how to protect you from overtrading. Buy 200K accounts, one eval, one zero, 150K eval, 150K zero. Now you're at max allocation. And on each account, do not copy trade. Do not copy trade. And take advantage of the code. You'll get all these deals and discounts. And now you're locked into trading. How are you gonna blow your account from over trading? Just trade 1 to 3. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12 trades. Spread out over accounts. I just gave you the secret on how to protect yourself. Just gave it to you. Thank you. Sorry to disturb your flow. I'll be beginning now. More drawdown? Yes. Do you have a payout? Yeah, go watch the videos, Quava. It's all in the videos. With more XP points, like Professor says, you can do more than 1 to 3. Correct. I just bought 100K account and I'm going to buy 100K eval, inshallah. Boom. No, don't say inshallah, Abdul Kafi. Get it now because the price will go up drastically. Why pay more, bro? Why pay more? Thanks for the class, Professor. Headed for a quick gym session. See you in class. See you in class. Thanks, Professor. As always, you're welcome. The past account will remain for... Yes. Once you pass it, the eval, you'll be moved to a master account. Just trade that actively. Just trade that. Finale questions. Let's go. Finale questions. I'm going to read a quote out the Quran per usual, but flood the chat. Here is a mess. Is a mess. It's okay. New subscriber just joined. Is funding takes eval is monthly or just one time? Eval is monthly, but it won't take you a month to pass it, bro. I pass it in 3 days. Welcome, Sind. That's 2011, Sind. I think I'm saying it right. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. If you're coming in late, just rewind it and watch it. Finale questions. Let's go. Yes, let's read the Quran. I'm about to, Crava. I love him. He's an enthusiastic student. I love it. Finale questions. Finale questions. Let me read, and if there's some finale questions, I'll answer them. So let's mute the music, and let's go. Random page, per usual. Chapter 29, the spider. Ooh. Al-Ankabut. I'm trying my best, Arabs. I'm trying my best. I like this. Chapter 29, verse 65. If they happen to be aboard a ship caught in a storm, they cry out to God alone in sincere devotion. But as soon as he delivers them to safety to shore, they associate others with him once again. So let them be ungrateful for all we have given them, and let them enjoy themselves for now, for they will soon know. Ooh, that is so powerful. What is he saying in this? When things go wrong in your life, you say, God, please take me out of this. I'll be better. And then when he takes you out of that life, you go back to degeneracy. So many people I know, they drink, they do drugs, they smoke, they do degeneracy. And when they get to their lowest part, they're like, God, please get me out of this. I won't do it anymore. The next day, they're back on the same wheel, hamster wheel, suffering and doing shenanigans. Ladies and gentlemen, God will get you out of every difficulty, but it's your job to stay on the path of consistency and not degeneracy. Do well. Give money to your parents, especially your mother. Give to the homeless, the needy. Don't post about it on social media and flaunt that you're doing it. God takes away reward for doing that kind of stupidity. Don't be like these social media. Let me be nice. Don't be like them posting that they're helping. Just do well. Do well behind the scenes. The people don't need to know. You people have no idea how many charities that help behind the scenes. You don't need to know. I could start a whole series on that. You don't need to know. Keep things between you and God. Help out those unfortunate. If you're making any money because of me or what I taught you, give some of that to your mother. I don't care if you have a bad relationship. Just transfer some money to them. Just do that for me. Finale question in the chat. Professor, you've been trading on high cash for years? Yes. To pass the... I answer that. New subscribe? I answer that. Since we are coming up on the end of the year, volume will be low. Do you recommend? No, just trade here and there. Lower your position side. Assalamu alaikum. I'm a new subscriber. I love that you're teaching. I was just thinking of how to scale. I have passed about 16, 15K. Seems a little intimidating for the profit target. Try your best and don't worry about the profit target. You will get there. Just trade and do well. That is the end goal. The money factor is there. Practice and execute and it'll come, bro. I understand what you're saying, Mills. Presidential Mills. I get you. That goal of 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 profit, I get it. But if you execute well, you'll get there. Wow, this is fire. I just took my shahada last month and found trading, and now this channel, I can tell this is a blessing. Welcome to the family, bro. You just became Muslim presidential? What were you before? What was your religion prior? Welcome to the family, bro. Welcome to the family. Mashallah, bro. Mashallah, bro. If I buy tonight, it's good till December? Bro, it's good till forever. What you mean? It's good till forever. If you consistently trade it. Mashallah, welcome, welcome. Look at all the love in the chat for presidential. Welcome to the Islamic faith, my brother. Welcome to the Islamic faith. I don't know what Quran you're reading, but this one is good. The clear Quran. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. You know what's interesting? I went to pray today, Friday, Jummah, the holy day, right? I'm at the mosque, and the mosque was talking about how they just bought a church, and they're converting it into a mosque, a school, Islamic school. And I find it funny, all over America, all over Europe and America, churches are shutting down. And it's interesting because Christians are leaving the faith in record numbers to Islam, and their foundation is falling, and it sucks, bro. Because a lot of Christians don't know that we love Jesus. We love Mother Mary. It's just some people are putting two and two together. Wait, Jesus is God, so he's praying to himself? Who's he praying to when he left the disciples to pray? I grew up Christian and lost my way, started doing Santeria. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I think the plan names of TradingView changed as well as the pricing. Are you able to do this today? I'm not going into that, Francis. Just buy the premium, the third or fourth one. Just buy the third or fourth one. I'm not going into that right now. That video is actually in the secret Instagram, but I'm not doing that right now. You know what, Francis? You got my name and your username. I'm going to do it for you. Why not? The guy got my name and his username. I got to do it. I don't even know who Francis is. Francis, why not? Why not? You won me over by having my name and your username. There's something about that love. For you to go and change it and put DTP, you got a lot of love for me. So I got to do it. Freaking hell. What the hell? I got to do it. I got no choice. I got no choice. I got no choice. I got no choice. You know, it's interesting. Kindness is a fascinating thing. It really is if you think about it. It's fascinating. I didn't want to, but seeing that this person went out of their way to put my name in their name changed my perspective of kindness. Isn't that interesting? Santeria equals witchcraft. Did not know that. You're a legend. Stop it, Francis. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Listen. You got my name and your username. I have no choice. All right, guys. Francis is asking, which TradingView option do you buy? By the way, the sale ends in 5 hours. Can I not zoom in? Oh, why am I zooming in? You guys can see. You're not blind. The sale ends in 5 hours. Use the link in my bio and sign up. You get $30 or $40 added to the discount. Day Trade Professor. Link is in the description. Go to Day Trade Professor. Scroll down. Get an extra discount, Francis. So boom. So let's explore. I don't know what's going to come up because I already have a subscription. I don't know what's going to come up. Heading out, Professor. I appreciate the hell out of you. I appreciate you for being active, Quava. Appreciate you. What are we running on 1G Wi-Fi? Come on, bro. Oh, the whole world is probably on this website. Actually, they probably are. They probably are. All right, I'll show you what subscription to get. Come on. All right, I'll X out that. Maybe that might help. Wow. Their servers. It's trying to load. It's trying to load. All right, here we go. Sale ends in 5 hours. Again, I'm going to have to say this. I don't own TradingView. I am not the CEO of TradingView. I don't work for TradingView. I support TradingView because that's what I use. I like them. So if you have issues with TradingView, do not DM me. I don't work for them. Please. I know some of you are like, why is he saying that? You don't know the DMs I get. As if I run these companies, bro. I literally get DMs as if I am the head of these companies or I'm head of their board. I swear to God, you won't believe some of the weird DMs, bro. You don't. Some of you will not believe it. You're like, there's no way. All right, Francis. By the way, this price is crazy good. Crazy good. So either get premium or ultimate. They're both fine. I have premium, as you can see. Really? We get an extra discount even if we're trading your subscription? I don't know about that, Presidential. I don't know if you already have it. I'm going to be honest. I don't know. I don't know. Try it. The ultimate account has tick charts. It uses number of trades rather than time-based candles. I got you. So there you go. Sign up for this. Link is in the bio. Get an extra $30. TradingView is the best. You can link TradingView, TradeOvate, and trade off of that. That's what I do. That's what I do. I use my Z Fold. I use my Z Fold to trade. So, yeah. Final questions. Francis, you happy? Time's almost up. That's why I'm asking. I got you. Final questions. I believe I've covered everything. How long have I been live? Holy moly. This was supposed to be a short live. Done, brother. Just need a clarification. You're the best. Thank you. You're welcome, Francis. You're welcome, bro. All right. That's a wrap. Professor, I believe TradingView pays you with coconut water. I wish. I wish. I wish. All right, listen, every single one of you, I appreciate all of you. I'm live every Tuesday, Friday. If you're new to me, give me a like, leave some comments. Everything is in the free course. Get the book, get the classes. It's all there to help you become a better trader. Go watch my content and see everything I do, the live trading videos, my life videos, how I live my life. And if I align with your views, come, be part of the family, be a student. I'd love to have you in my class. They're very small classes. There's not hundreds of people there. I don't do more than 20. When you come to the class in New York, I pay for your dinner. I pay for the fun activities. All of that is on me. Okay? I'll see you in class. You're welcome, everyone. Thank you.